Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the substitute function in Excel. The substitute function allows you to replace occurrences of a specific substring within a text string with a new substring. This function is particularly useful for cleaning up data, correcting errors, and standardizing text entries. It provides flexibility in managing text strings, especially when you need to replace specific instances of text within larger datasets. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the substitute function means. Text: the original text or cell reference that contains the text you want to substitute. Old text: the text you want to replace. This could be a word, a letter, or any substring within the text. New text: the text you want to replace old text with. Instance num, optional, specifies which occurrence of old text you want to replace. If omitted, all occurrences of old text will be replaced with new text. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of product descriptions in column A, and you want to replace a specific word in the descriptions with a new word to update the product information. In cell A1, you have the product description old widget model. You want to replace old with new in the entire text string. In cell B1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Text: A1 refers to the cell containing the original text, old widget model. Old text, old, is the text we want to replace. New text, new, is the text that will replace old. Instance num. This argument is omitted, so all instances of old will be replaced with new. Press enter and Excel will return new widget model, which is the updated product description. Suppose you have a text string in cell A2, widget model, widget design, widget prototype, and you want to replace only the second occurrence of widget with product. In cell B2, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Text: A2 refers to the cell containing the original text, widget model, widget design, widget prototype. Old text, widget, is the text we want to replace. New text, product, is the text that will replace the second occurrence of widget. Instance num. 2 specifies that we want to replace only the second occurrence of widget. Press enter, and Excel will return widget model, product design, widget prototype, which shows the updated text with only the second occurrence replaced. The substitute function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Data cleaning. Quickly replace specific text within cells, such as correcting errors or updating outdated information. Text standardization. Use substitute to ensure consistent terminology in your data, such as standardizing product names or categories. Dynamic data updates. Apply the function to dynamically update text based on new requirements or changes in data.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.